In this demonstration, we're going to be taking a look at the installation of AutoCAD when the AutoCAD license has been issued by your class teacher or your information technology coordinator at your school. Let's say that your name is Jim Francis, for example. You're going to receive an email from your teacher, and the email is going to look like this. It's going to say Autodesk, action required, accept the invitation. What you want to do is to double click on the email and open it. Once you have opened the email, you're going to see that your administrator has invited you to create your Autodesk account. So what you want to do is to click on Create My Account Now. You need to fill out some information on this page. Your name will already be there and your email address will already be there. You're going to be asked to confirm your email. So you're going to have to type your email in this confirmation box here. And you are also going to have to type a password. And this password you're going to be using to get into your Autodesk account. Next, you have to click on I agree. Make sure you tick that box off. And then you'll proceed to click on Create an Account. When that is finished, you're going to see the screen in front of you. All you need to do here is to click on Done. Once you've done that, you're going to be presented with what we call your home screen. At this point, you need to select all products and services. And you're going to see the AutoCAD installation here that your class teacher would have sent to you. And what you need to do here is to click on View Items. Then in the same row as AutoCAD, click on View Downloads. This page will appear. Look at the versions. Make sure that the version you have is 2022. If it isn't, you just simply click the down arrow and choose 2022. Make sure that the platform is Win64 and the language is English. And the next thing you want to do is to click on Install Now. Once you click on Install Now, you will be presented with this installation screen. You want to select I accept. Then you want to click on Install to begin the installation. Once you have done that, your file will begin to download. And if you look at the bottom left-hand side of your screen, you will see that the file is downloading. You need to wait until it's finished. When that download is finished, you will see that there's no activity here in the bottom left. Simply double-click on the file name. And once you double-click on the file name, the file will start to install. And you will see the screen going across and it will say preparing for installation. And it will go until it's completed. Once that installation is completed, this screen will open saying choose where to install. You want to accept the default. Don't change it. Leave it as it is and click on Next. Then you want to click on Install to actually begin that installation on your device. Now, the screen will appear and you will actually see the red circle going around until it's filled up. Look at the circle, Look at the progress. Do not click cancel installation. You will know when it's finished because you will see that the whole circle is filled up. And it will look like this, and you will have a tick. Once you see that, it means that your installation is complete. And the next thing you want to do is click on Start. So you go ahead and click on Start. And there you go. You are into AutoCAD. You have your AutoCAD to use. This is the end of this demonstration. I want to thank you for listening.